Hi loves, welcome back to another video. I hope everybody has been doing well and keeping safe. I know I haven't been so consistent, but guys, a lot has been happening in my life. But anyway, you're gonna know about it today. So I just decided to do a quick video on what I got for my birthday. I was celebrating my birthday on the 21st of August, and my close family were so sweet enough to get me a few gifts. And yep, let's get into it. So first things first, on my birthday, the most precious thing ever happened on my birthday. Ta-da! I got married on my birthday, guys. So yep, God has blessed me and my husband, my partner in life, my companion, with the blessing of marriage. And I'm so glad that it went well. My partner paid bride price, lobola, dowry, rora on the 21st of August on my birthday. So we couldn't go home in South Africa because of COVID and the restrictions and all that, but we celebrated our union this side, and it was beautiful. One of my friends was vlogging, so once I get time, I'm gonna edit everything and share it with you guys. So yep, the honey is married. I am Mrs. Kaonde now. So yeah, I'm so happy about this, and I couldn't ask for any other gift. Honestly, I couldn't ask for any other gifts. And some of the things that I got, they're quite big. I can't even lift them, but I'm assuming that people got me homeware, things for the house, things like that, because I'm starting a new home with my partner. So yeah, so I only took some of the things that I could carry, some things that I would be able to unbox on video. So first things first, I gifted myself as well, because I believe in appreciating myself. I got myself this Giorgio Armani My Way perfume, and this was the perfume of the day for my birthday. I love this one. Oh my god, it really smells so nice, and it smells mature, it smells sophisticated, it smells a focus queen. This is what this perfume smells like. I love this for myself, girl. If you know what's right for you, appreciate yourself and gift yourself more regularly. And then I got a fossil watch. It's engraved TNS, my husband and myself's initials, 210821, because that's the day when we got married. And I also got it engraved forever at the back, because our love is gonna last forever. So yeah, I gifted my husband as well with his fossil watch. His is gray or silver. It's silver. Yeah, it's dark silver. So it has the personalized engravement at the back, and I love it. It's rose gold. It has a bit of diamonds. So yep, that's another gift for myself. And then my colleagues were kind enough to also get me something. They got me lingerie. I've already removed it because I had to wash it before I wear it. And this bottle, I don't drink alcohol, so I'm just gonna save it for people who are gonna come and visit. Yeah, it's a rosé brut champagne. That was really so lovely and kind of them. They also got us a cake as well, one of our Rora Day cakes. And then one of my sister in love got me this. Oh my god, this is lovely. This is so lovely. Oh, this is beautiful. It's a scarf. It's a scarf. Oh my god, this is so lovely. It's a beautiful soft scarf. And then there's also a purse from River Island. Oh, this is so beautiful. I love it. Love it. Yeah, and it has a lot of space. I love this. Yeah, I'm definitely gonna put my husband and myself a picture of both of us. This is where you put your cards. Oh, this is nice. How do you open this back part? I'm not sure how you open it, but there's more storage space at the back. Oh, thank you to my teddies. And the next one is this gift. And it comes with a card. I'm just gonna open this. So I haven't opened any of the gifts because we went away for a honeymoon. We went away on a Tuesday and we just came back about an hour ago, and I was like, you know what, let me just open up this gift. Oh my gosh. Oh, this is so lovely. Oh my god. So this is the gift. It's botanical rejuvenating collection. It has a body scrub, a face mask, and a face cream. Oh, this is so lovely. Oh, this is nice. It's fragrance with green tea and chamomile. Oh, this is lovely, guys. Definitely gonna use this. As you can see, my skin is a bit dark because we were on holiday and we were enjoying the sun. Honestly, we're enjoying the sun. And then there's another gift as well. Guys, do you believe in recycling, like these wrapping papers and also your gift bags? I always recycle my gift bags because save a bit of coins there. Oh my god. Oh, so this is a frame and it is a verse inside. It says Romans 1 verse 16, I have complete confidence in the gospel. It is God's power to save all who believe. Oh my god. Oh, I love it. I love it. I'm definitely gonna put it in the on our bedside table in the main bedroom. Definitely. So this is Romans 1 verse 6. So this is very thoughtful. Thank you to my teddies. And then we have another one. Assuming this is from the same family. Oh my god. Oh guys, am I blessed or what? Am I blessed or what? Oh my god. So this is a book by T.D. Jakes, When Women Pray. Oh my god, I love this for myself. Oh my god. Oh, thank you, my tete. Thank you so much. Oh my god, I'm definitely gonna start reading this tonight. So it says, When Women Pray. It's about 10 women of the Bible who changed the world through prayer. Like, is there anything that we can do without prayer? Let's start there. I don't think so. There's nothing that you can do without prayer. So this would definitely come in handy for me. Thank you for this one. Then another one. Oh, I really love my gifts. Oh my god. I really love them. You know what, there's some gifts that you get and you feel like this is definitely what I needed, but you didn't really know that you needed it, you know. Oh my god. This is like a journal or a diary of some sort, guys. This feels like velvet kinda, and it's gray and gold. It's written notes and dreams. Oh my god, let me just open it. Listen, baby girl, listen, listen. Oh my god, it's like a planner. Oh, this is lovely. Okay, you know what, I'm definitely gonna keep this for my white wedding planning. My white wedding planning, I'm definitely not gonna use this. I'm gonna keep it for my white wedding, because my tete gifted me with this for my Rora, but I'm definitely gonna use this for my white wedding planning. So everything that has to do with my white wedding, I'm not sure when it's gonna be. We are just still praying and asking God and the Holy Spirit to guide us on when we should do our white wedding, where, how, you know, all that. But I love this. Ugh, I love this. I'm actually gonna put it back in its thing, in its wrapping paper, and keep it safe, because I'm definitely saving this one for my white wedding preparation. And then these gifts come with 3 cards. So this one, it says Mr. and Mrs. Kawande, so that's me and my husband. So I'm not gonna open this on camera. And then the last gift, this is the lightest one that I could film. The rest, honestly, I actually think it's like, because we don't have a coffee machine, and one of my new family members was asking me if we love coffee. I don't really like coffee, so my husband loves it, so I'm not sure if she wanted to get me that or not. But we don't really have enough storage space anyway, so why am I destroying this lovely wrap? Oh my god! Oh, guys. It's written live a life you really love. And it's a set of 4 wine glasses. Not sure if you're gonna see. Oh, this is so nice. And I love the color. I love pink, so this is definitely perfect. Oh, I really love this. Let me see if I can open and see one of them. Oh my god, how beautiful is this? This is so beautiful. Honestly, I love it. Ka-ching! Oh, this is nice. Yep, guys, so that is it. Those are the only gifts that I could leave to the table. The rest, they're just too big, honestly, so I can't film. I use my phone to film them, to film these videos, so couldn't leave them. But anyway, thank you guys for watching. Please watch out for my traditional lobola dowry bride price celebration Rora Day. I don't even know how I'm gonna title it. And also we went away on a honeymoon, so my husband was gonna have to be taking videos, and I was like, you know what, I just want to live in the moment and and he's like, oh no, let's create memories, let's take videos. So he took some videos of that. I'm definitely gonna share it with you guys as well. Thank you for watching, and welcome to the newbies. Don't forget to click that subscribe button, like, comment, and yep, see you on the next one from me, Mrs. Kaunde, newlywed. See you on the next one. Bye.